Hey you guys, we just got this little rotating music light toy for babies and we're just gonna get out of the box and put batteries in it. Okay, so it has a little power on button here and we'll press the crown button. Kind of makes all the animals rotate, and there's a music button. That's music minus and music plus. And here's the light button. And you can make it red, green, blue, yellow, light blue, pink, white, and off. And then we have this, changes the song. And then there's a saxophone, which just changes the instrument. And then there's a little baby that's sleeping, so that plays more lullabies. There's a star here on the top that if you press that, it kind of makes like a drumming sound, like boing, bang, bang, bang. So it's just fun that every time they hit a button, something new and interesting happens. It lights up, it sings, it gets louder and quieter. It's just such a fun, interesting, very eye-catching toy for your toddler or your baby. Overall, this is just such a fun toy. Like I said, just very eye-catching, very vibrant. Your baby's gonna love this toy just as much as mine does. It does have these little wheels here on the bottom that help it wheel around on the hard floor. Here's a quick close-up of what it looks like in the middle here. So there's an elephant and maybe a little dinosaur and a little bear, and they're all riding on the moons. And this almost looks like seaweed here. And then there's some gears in here that are just rotating around. Very fun, very colorful.